म्हाका दिसता 8 म्हयन्या पयलीं जेन्ना हो विशय आम आदमी पार्टी तर्फे आमी घेतिल्लो तेन्ना आमी सांगिल्लें की हो गोंयांत जॉब स्कॅम चल्ला, गोंयांत जॉब विकता म्हणून. आनी 8 म्हयन्यांनी म्हाका दिसता एटलीस्ट 7-8 प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सीस बीजेपीच्या स्पोक्स पर्सनांनी घेतिल्ल्यो आनी सांगिल्लें की आम आदमी पार्टी फटी उलयता, अमित पालेकराक संवय आसा फटी मारपाची म्हणून. 8 वर्सां उपरांत 8 म्हयन्या उपरांत चीफ मिनिस्टरानूच दाखोवन दिलें की आमी उलयता तें सत्य म्हणून. आनी गोवान जॉब स्कॅम विच इज द स्कॅम ऑफ द सेंचुरी हॅज ओपन्ड अप इन गोवा. Now here we had always demanded, and all opposition together have now demanded, that a judicial commission be appointed. Why this judicial commission is necessary is because of the fact the way investigation is proceeding in this crime. I am told that DGP was against the press conference which was held with the two SP North and SP South, and they were forced by government to hold this press conference and give a clean sheet to the politicians. As a defense lawyer practicing for last 25 years, I know how investigation proceeds in a crime like this. When there is a crime which says that a recording is there which is provided, audio recordings, call records are provided, you don't call the complainant, you call the accused and record their voice recordings for CFSR examination. Has Goa police done this? Amka doubt eta, and we seriously believe that Satarkar has not committed suicide but has been killed by the police or somebody from the government. Why no offence was registered immediately upon his death, and after 2 days we have been told that his family was made to file an FIR for abetment to suicide at Madhur police station. These are serious allegations I am making against the police, because I am saying that the accused in the crime, particularly Pooja Naik, and an accused was arrested in Ponda, has specifically given names of people very close to the chief minister, people who are part of the government. Their call details, their relationship, the recordings, the audio, the WhatsApp chats, everything has been given, which Goa police have sought to destroy. The lawyer has very categorically in bail arguments before a court has made a statement before the court that he is willing to give the names. Will the police investigate and bring them and call them for investigation? The police immediately did not object for bail in this kind of matter. The police have hurriedly given no objection for grant of bail in the first offence of Pooja Naik. Thereafter, the police have given very diluted say. The say of IO is required in bail matters, more particularly in the case of the aide of Mr. Govind Gowde, who got bail in less than 48 hours. This is the fastest a bail can be got. Then I am surprised that how in simple cases the police object and take remand for 5 days. Almost all the accused who have been arrested who have not been part of the government has given out details of their conversation, whom they have paid this money, and they are all close to either the ministers, the head of the state, or Bharatiya Janata Party's leaders. हे सगळे जाता असताना when we have stated that kindly provide the call detail records and tower locations of Pooja Naik and Shruti Prabhugaonkar, so we know whom they made the calls to. Are Goa police willing to give that call detail records to at least the leader of opposition and the MLAs? Then they will give out a case of investigation is in progress, but hurriedly the cases are sought to be wound up. The only person who has come out and said that police are going in the right direction is the chief minister. I think President of Bharatiya Janata Party has been quiet, absolutely mum, as if he has got sore throat on the job scam issue. So probably he believes that including the chief minister, the other ministers and other members of his party are part of the job scam, and that is why he has got mums. काल म्हणा म्हणून जाता पळय ती ताका जाल्या ताचें तोंड उगडना. And at the peak of EFI and exposition, suddenly Goa government has come out with a notification, prohibitory order pass केल्या की गोंयान जे आमचे guest येता, they should not know about this job scam. I think we should all start wearing a T-shirt tomorrow, Goa a land of scam thanks to BJP. I think that is not prohibited. I think we should start this event, and tomorrow onwards I think we will start printing this. What do you say, sir? This is just a thought which has come, because this is how Goa is going to be projected, that Goa is a nice place ऑफकोर्स इट्स अ नायस प्लेस, बट ही घाण जी बसलेल्या भारतीय जनता पार्टीन ती लोकां मुखार कळपाक जाय. नॅशनल टेलिव्हिजनान म्हाका दिसता फर्स्ट टायम आफ्टर लॉंग येस्टरडे दे हॅव टेकन नोट ऑफ द सिच्युएशन एंड दिस बिगेस्ट जॉब स्कॅम ऑफ द century as far as Goa is concerned has taken cognizance of this, and it's time. कारण this affects not just me, म्हाका तुका सगळ्यांनी आज फ्युचर जनरेशन जे आसा, all Goa's youth who have lost these jobs, who could have got them on merits, have to come out on streets. The parents, the families, it affects everybody. Every one of us is a victim of this job scam of BJP, and I'll go one step ahead after sir has said. With the body language of the police officers who took PC that day, it could be seen that they were reluctant to face the press. They were reluctant to answer your questions because they know what the truth is. They have not called the real culprits and accused for investigation so far. Investigation is being hushed up, is being wound up in the most hurried manner, and probably completely controlled by the Chief Minister. And I had said it earlier, I am saying it again. The entire job scam is controlled by one empress, and the roads lead to Sankelim. I said it earlier, I am saying it again, and I am reiterating this statement that all roads of this job scam lead to Sankelim. Sakre is a hub. There is a non-uniform police officer. His call record should be immediately investigated. His wealth needs to be investigated. His tower locations need to be investigated, including his WhatsApp messages and chats for last 1 year needs to be investigated. And he statement आम्ही जेन्ना करता, why police are not investigating this particular angle and why are they not investigating this particular in this particular direction is because the DGP knows who the real culprit is. It is just that the SP North, who is seen more in Sankelim than in headquarters, should be the one whose call records also needs to be checked. So if all these people who are investigating agencies are themselves in doubt, why should government not appoint judicial commission? Immediately judicial commission appoint करचे. तुमका जर दिसता तुम्ही चोर न्ही, हांव म्हणटा तुझ्या काना सकयल टीळ आसा, तू कानूक दाबता ना मरे टीळ जाल्यार दाखय न्ही. ही परिस्थिती आज सरकाराची आसा. डाग पडल्या सरकाराचे, and these black spots they are hiding. कारण जे black spots आसा, they are absolutely in the greatest people in power in state of Goa. I think our protest will now head to Panjim for the people and the guests coming to IFI and the other guests who are coming to Goa to let them know that Goa is not a happy place anymore because of Bharatiya Janata Party and its corrupt job scam. Thank you.